Hey guys, Roger with the Townsend team here. Just leaving our newest listing in Leslieville. This one is, just want to give you, I was going to give you a sneak peek, but I decided more to give you an idea of the neighborhood. So this one is at Queen and Logan. It's a 1-bedroom plus den condo that we're putting up on the market very soon. If you're interested in getting to the market, this is an incredible investment property. Give me a call, 647-360-5900, and I can get you in here before we actually put it in the market. But let me just give you an idea of the neighborhood. So as you can see here, we are in the hustle and bustle of downtown Toronto, Leslieville. If you like downtown, you will absolutely love this neighborhood. It is literally 10 minutes from everything. Good news is COVID hopefully is coming to an end. We are seeing positivity rates drop. People are getting their vaccines. So Toronto has always been hopping and moving. And very soon you're going to see that Toronto's going to be back to normal. And if you like the downtown life, this is definitely a place you want to be. So this is the actual building here. It is a low-rise building. Area is second to none. As you can see, we are on the streetcar line. This is Queen Street. And you can walk closer. You can see the streetcar that takes you right down to Toronto. Another great thing about this neighborhood is the proximity to everything. So you have schools, you have parks. Right where I parked, there was a nice little basketball run going on. And if anybody that knows me, you know that I'm a basketball lifer. So I will take you closer to where I parked. Another great thing about this neighborhood is you can park on the street and go about your business. So you can come to the different shops. So you can see here, we got a lot of different shops that are along the line. Starbucks is right at the bottom of the building. A&W, they have a TD Bank, Freshie, Osmo, Circle K, you name it. All the little things that you would need are all available here. So as you can see, I was walking in front of the building, and now I'm about to hit Booth Avenue, sorry. And if you can see down in the path, you can see the streetcar that's coming along on Queen Street. So like I said, 10 minutes to downtown. Another thing that I love about this place is that you're right here, minutes from Jimmy Simpson Park. So a great place to come for a picnic, for a stroll, just to chill, really. You can see it's absolutely beautiful. All right, man, what's good? And look at this. You got this is a basketball court I was telling you about. So you can see some people are enjoying the outside. Beautiful day today. And here you have it. People are just getting in a run. You also have a tennis court over here in the back. You can see there's a soccer field. They also have an ice rink. So once again, this neighborhood has absolutely everything that you would want. Incredible neighborhood for you to live, or if you want to just have a rental property for future use, we have everything. And like I said, minutes from downtown Toronto. So this might be a place that you want to grab. Once again, Roger from the Townsend team, 647-360-5900. If you're in the market for a new property, whether it be an investment or you're just looking for somewhere to live, give me a shout and I can help you make it happen. All right, guys, until next time.